Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Jmfc exam step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and detailed syllabus. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to expect and what topics to prioritize. Next, collect all your study materials, including textbooks, notes, and previous question papers. Finally, develop a structured study schedule that allocates sufficient time to each subject, ensuring consistent progress. Once you have your plan, dive into effective study techniques. Prioritize understanding core concepts deeply rather than just memorizing facts. Active learning, like explaining topics aloud, can be very helpful. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand the question format in important areas. Additionally, create your own concise notes for each topic. These will be invaluable for quick revisions later on, saving you precious time. Revision and practice are crucial for success. Dedicate specific slots in your daily schedule for reviewing previously studied topics. This reinforces your memory and prevents forgetting. Regularly take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify areas where you need more practice or conceptual clarity. This targeted approach will significantly improve your scores. As the exam approaches, focus on staying calm and maintaining a positive mindset. Avoid learning new topics in the final days. Instead, consolidate what you already know. Briefly review your concise notes and important formulas. On exam day, ensure you arrive early and are well rested. During the exam, manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Read questions carefully and trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.